I need to.
Did you start a blanket?
No, I didn't start a Blicket. What I'm doing, I'm gonna change the screen real quick. I forgot that I needed to video this week's, here it is. I need to video this week's vocab, so I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, first word, independent variable, relies on itself, determined by the experimenter. So if we're looking at every year, hopefully, might not at this point, but every year around your birthday, you're supposed to go get a well child checkup at your doctor's office. They'll do height, weight, maybe check your eyes, and they'll put you on some sort of chart to see how you're growing. And every year around your birthday, they check your height. So doctors will look at that on your birthday. An independent variable there would be your birthday. Yes, you change age on your birthday, but they can't force you to change your age. Okay? So we're not going to use the word change when we're talking about variables because it gets very confusing. It's just something determined by the experimenter. A dependent variable relies on the effects of the independent, the IV. It can be measured. It's the result. So the thing we're measuring in this is your height. Your height depends on how old you are. You're not going to be 6 foot tall at the age of 2 unless something is wrong.
I'm 5'6".
I am 5'2 3/4", and I quit growing at 14. It happens. Yeah. Yeah.
I already heard you say my name, Logan. Don't say it.
All right, that's enough, fellas.
We get that. I said me and you are in the same boat. I thought you were talking about it.
So that is the difference. Your dependent variable is measured. Your independent is going to affect something.
What does that say?
Where?
Sexual.
Oh, yeah. So we're here next on asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction reproduces by itself. It's one parent. However, the sexual reproduction aspects of things does not mean that it's sexual intercourse. What we're talking about is it takes two parents to make an offspring. I'm going to move this over a little. Two parents make an offspring. Our other 6 words are going to be suffixes and prefixes, so they should be relatively easy. I'm going to keep all of these on right now, just moving it down a little. Gene is a prefix to mean born or birth. So when you get genetics, we get into genetics, you're going to see it's something you're born with that you get from your parents. Yeah. You don't have blue eyes. Do you?
Yes.
So sorry. I guess I didn't look hard enough. I thought they were like hazel.
Mine are brown.
Kerrigan. That's okay. We're going to learn how that's possible.
Yeah, mine aren't either.
And that's okay. They are still your parents. Now, if you have brown eyes and both your parents have blue eyes, we'll have a much different discussion. That's okay, because a lot of the world does, okay? Not a lot. That's not true. It's like 25%. Yep. But if you have blue eyes, that would be a problem. All right, quieten back down, please. Thank you. Trope means to turn. So a heterotroph turns food into energy. We are, yes. Osis. Osis means disease.
We've done it.
We have on the Blicket, yes. All right, so if you have scoliosis, that's a disease of the spine. I was trying to think of more, and that's the only one off the top of my head.
Osmosis, diagnosis.
It is. Diagnosis, that's good. You're telling someone what's wrong. Well, disease just means illness. Yeah. Osmosis is different, but that is a really good connection of words.
I know. Thank you.
Same. Yeah, and it doesn't mean that every word that ends with that means that, but majority of the time, that's what we're talking about. I'm just going to move it down to the last 3 words. Did you still need the top?
Yeah.
Are you on dependent?
I'm sorry, there was just no new words.
No, not yet.
Still independent?
Hey, none of your business. All right, our last 3 words we've actually done before is hypo, hyper, and iso. Hypo is under below. What's hyper? Over, above. And then iso, equal. That's right. So you're going to be extra quiet right now while everybody's writing. Be number 8, 9, iso. I'll move it all down in just a few seconds.
I mean, I can take this. Okay.
You're good. Take your time.
I just want Hollywood.
Jackson.
What?
I don't know hand signals.
You can do, this means sign language.
Sign language. Away. Away.
Is it
Away.
S?
Oh.
It's.
S.
I don't know why.
No.
Yeah. So ASL. What did you say?
No comprendo.
Nah, me neither.
I don't even know if I said that right.
Would it be no comprendo?
Do you know what they make like symbols to put on their feet? Kids that have ADHD, they're super stuff.
That'd be pretty cool.
They are super cool. I saw a kid like he was.
Yes. Here? 2. Sexual reproduction is 2 parent. 1 parent is for, yes, sorry about that. Quieten it down.
Yeah, quiet it down.
Hey, let's start passing work out to you that you have to do.
I probably already done.
Nope. I got new stuff.
I just know I took a like gene thing something else for extra class.
Mm-hmm.
Middle school can do nothing. How I hope for that.
They create science was fun.
Not anymore.
Pretty much it's the same thing, but more in depth.
U.S. history and government makes me more fall asleep.
Okay. Take the last words, video people.